just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and in this week's video I'm going to be doing actually another challenge progression style video, the Gua Sha, I think that's how you say it, I'll put the pronunciation and wording here, technique for a week, meaning Monday through Friday, and I'm just going to see what it does for me. It's supposed to help remove drainage, help tone your face, all these many benefits. I'll put down below the video I watched to kind of learn the technique. By no way, shape, or form am I saying that I have mastered how to do this, but I just wanted to give it a try, see what the results was. I hope you guys enjoy. Before you click out, make sure to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Like I've been saying in the previous videos, you definitely want to follow me on Instagram because something in the next coming or so week will be occurring over there that you definitely do not want to miss out. So make sure that you are following me there. Let's go ahead and get started. Facial day one is done. Morning guys, happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday morning, day 2 of this Gua Sha, yes, that's how you say it, facial challenge that I'm doing for a week. So from Monday to Friday I'm gonna be doing this. So today is day 2. I'm gonna put a little bit of my oil on my face here. I have under eye oil and then a different oil that I use. First under eye one, and then I'm gonna put on the other stuff. And it just said in all the videos I watch, which I'll be linking those down below, there's certain ways you're supposed to do this technique, and so I don't want you to solely base it off of me. I am doing the best I can based on what I've been educated and researched about, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and start like I did yesterday in my forehead area, and the key is you don't go in like this, you go in flat. So we are taking all the lymphatic drainage out, and they recommended having some kind of facial oil before you start the process. I'm gonna go underneath here. That's basically it. And some things that I've noticed in the past day, it's supposed to move this lymphatic drain. Definitely seen that. Like my nose has been better and stuff. My allergies, which is really great. I will catch you guys on the flip side. See you guys tomorrow. Day 3 complete. Morning guys, it is Thursday, so it's day 4. Yes, I don't know why with these challenges cannot remember what day it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the oil, do our little Gua Sha technique. So enjoy this lovely sped up montage. Go ahead, put on some makeup and finish getting ready for Thursday. stay. Chat with you guys tomorrow on the final day of this challenge. Okay, it is day 5, the final day of this challenge. So now that we've completed the final day of the challenge, I will go ahead and insert right now the results. From day 1 to day 5, obviously I'm not expecting any kind of drastic results because it's only been 5 days, but I'm pretty sure if you continue this on some weeks or maybe months, personally from my experience, I've definitely seen a change in the way that the lymphatic drainage was coming out of my nasal area. Those were my thoughts, my results, whole week, what I thought about it. Let me know down below in the comments if you decide to try the Gua Sha facial technique in your beauty skincare routine, and I want to hear all about it, all about your experience. So you can share that down below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.